Hey, picture this: you sit down after a long day, dim the lights, and the moment that first scene lights up your room, it doesn't just look good. It feels alive. That's the kind of shift you get when you step up to the Hisense 85 QD7. This TV is for the person who's tired of washed-out colors, muddy contrast, and motion that blurs when things get fast. You notice when highlights don't pop, when every cutscene feels flat instead of cinematic, and you deserve better than that. If that hits home, take a second and check the current price and stock before either one moves. Screens this capable don't stay steady for long. I remember exactly when I realized my old set wasn't enough. I fired up a high-speed game and every quick turn felt smeared, every explosion felt dull, like watching through fog. Then I fired up this 85 QD7 and immediately felt the difference: colors that breathe, motion that actually keeps up, and detail that stays crisp even in bright scenes. That relief, that aha moment, is the kind of upgrade you feel in your chest. Once you live with a panel this responsive and vivid, everything weaker starts to feel like compromise. Native 144Hz and Game Mode Pro make motion smooth and connected. HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision give depth and contrast that actually matter in every scene. Dolby Atmos elevates audio so it doesn't just play, it surrounds. That's not just specs on paper, that's how your content becomes more immersive and real. Imagine watching a sunset scene where the bright highlights actually shine and dark shadows hold detail. Visualize racing or action gameplay where every twist and turn is fluid, not blurred. Even everyday streaming feels sharper, richer, more intentional instead of washed out. That's the emotional impact this level of performance delivers. And if you're on the fence thinking, is this too much? Let me flip that around. Once you experience that depth of color and responsiveness, anything less will make you notice what it's missing. That's the kind of loss aversion that really hits. You won't want to go back. Owning a display like this changes how you feel about every moment you sit down in front of it. You don't just watch, you absorb it. Motion that never lags behind fast scenes, colors that feel deep, rich, and natural, detail that stays crisp and bright, and dark sound that envelopes rather than just plays, immersion that pulls you into every moment. It's not a small screen for tiny rooms. Top-tier visuals come with top-tier pricing. At some point you stop comparing mid-range sets and pick the one that keeps calling you back in your mind, the one that feels like a genuine step up. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and regret later when pricing shifts or stock tightens. If you're ready for a screen that finally matches the way you want to watch movies, play games, and enjoy every moment, check the Hisense 85 QD7 while it's still available. This is the upgrade that makes your viewing experience feel intentional every time you press power.